Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Bear Lodge Holiday Home. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, skiing and a non-smoking rooms. Bear Lodge Holiday Home is a detached vacation home is located in Breckenridge in Colorado and is 1.6 miles from Peak 8 SuperConnect. The property is 1.7 miles from Beaver Run SuperChair and features views of the mountains. There is a sitting area, a dining area and a kitchen. A flat-screen TV and DVD player, as well as a CD player are available. There is a private bathroom with a hot tub. Falcon SuperChair is 1.7 miles from Bear Lodge Holiday Home, and QuickSilver Super6 is 1.8 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Aspen-Pitkin County, Sardy Field Airport, 47 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.